The Trade Confident account is up $131,686. From our current break even, $490,000. Bitcoin is actively testing structure support here at $40,625, but our data shows, despite bullish readings on the one-day time frame, the much larger 1 week and 1 month time frames are looking extremely bearish. We need to be watching out for major moves to the downside, and this is supported based on the fact that Grayscale has moved massive amounts of cryptocurrency, Bitcoin specifically, to their Coinbase account, possibly for a major sale. Technicals and fundamentals are lining up for a major drop in the market. Let me show you everything you need to know. Now, as a heads up, some of the data I'm about to show you was previously members-only content found under the Future Forecast tab on the TradeConfident.io website. We're going to be sharing just a little bit of this data. We just think it's too crucial. But if you want to learn more, watch this most recent video. Travis, the founder of Trade Confident, will be helping you set up alerts where over $10 billion worth of longs will most likely be taken out. Which we think will correlate to the bottom of this crypto cycle, creating the best buy-in opportunity. Now, currently, based on the information shown in that video and other future forecast videos, and of course, other data throughout our membership, the Trade Confident account is up $131,686. From our current break even, $490,000. Now, we're halfway there on our $1 million profit account challenge, so be sure to join us for the rest of it. Information and data you're about to see in the links in the description down below at the membership link. With that, let's get started. Right now I'm looking at Bitcoin USD on the 1 month time frame. Now this is a much higher time frame than I usually show in our videos, but this is going to be crucial information. First, I'm going to show you how I set up the chart that you're going to be looking at. First, if we go to this corner down here, you're going to see an A and an L. Click on the L, and that's going to turn on logarithmic charts. That is the very first step. Next, we're going to head up to indicators, and we're going to search Bitcoin halving event. This indicator right here by Kevin D. Carr will bring up the dates of the previous halving events. And of course, we have the next one coming up, estimated mid-April. Next, what I'm going to do is go over to the Fibonacci retracements. I'm just going to make one right here so I can go up to settings, and I'm going to scroll all the way down here. Make sure fib levels based on log scale is enabled. Otherwise, this isn't going to quite work how we're expecting. Next, you're going to enable 0, 1, and 0.786, and those are the only ones you need enabled here. Click OK. From here, what you're going to do is take your fib retracement, go to the absolute top of Bitcoin before the first halving event, and then drag it down to the bottom. You're going to notice right before the halving event, we're going to scroll in here. We just about tested this resistance at 0.786. Okay, interesting. Let's move on to the next one. Right here, market top before the second halving event, all the way down to the bottom. Right before the second halving event, just a couple months before, market top right here at 0.786. Okay, we're starting to see a pattern develop here. If we move to the right, let's try it again. 3 times makes an official pattern. Go to the top, drag it all the way to the bottom. Once again, we have a market top at 0.786. Now, this has happened for the last 3 halving events, but if we scroll over here to where we're at currently, drag it all the way down to the very bottom of this market, once again, testing at 0.786. It's a little bit difficult to see there, but you can see that is exactly where this red line is. And this is posted on its expected date, April 2024. Now, this information here, based on halving events and the Fibonacci retracements, was previously members-only content. Now, we spend a lot of time in our future forecast. We post them twice a week, but we spend a ton of time curating the best and most important data you can possibly find. One of our members covered their membership dues for the year based on the information in future forecast videos. Now, that's back when we were looking at Bitcoin mining stocks. This person sold and made $4 grand based on those same stocks talked about in the future forecast videos. This person was up $3,100 in one day, once again based on those future forecast videos. Now you do not want to miss out on the next videos. This is money making opportunities every single Tuesday and Friday. And on top of the future forecast, our members are going to get access to metrics across all 20 coins, trade setups where we're currently 126 wins, 0 losses in our membership trades, morning brew overview, monthly live Zoom coaching, and many more benefits. The links are in the description. Just go ahead and scroll down, click more. The membership is the very first link. Click that. It'll bring you to our membership page, full access for $59 a month. You're going to want to grab it soon because price increases are coming. Now, this is going to include everything I just showed you and more. Go ahead and click subscribe now, follow the props, and we're so excited to trade with you soon. Heading back into the live charts, we're trading Bitcoin USD first on the 1-day time frame. We're going to be going through several, including 1 week and 1 month, so stay tuned. But the main 1-day data I want to show you is the fact that we're testing structure support here at $40,625, our current low in our trend. But at the same time, we have dropped into the breakout zone. In previous instances, this is where we're seeing pretty significant moves in the market right here. Breakout detector saw moves up. Now, coincidentally, previous breakout detector readings have mostly been bullish, but this is when we were testing resistant structures. Instead, we are at structure support, and based on higher time frames, especially based on the fact that the entire market is red right now, I think it's very possible we're actually to see breaks to the downside. So there's your breakout zone reading. Let's go over the rest of the indicators. Right now I'm looking at Bitcoin USD on the 1 week time frame, and price versus while money flow is high, trades in favor was high. We see a sell and now a strong sell signal on the 1 week time frame. This is actively correlating with moves to the downside. Very consistent though. Price versus while money flow high, trades in favor high, sell signal move down. Price versus while money flow high, trades in favor high, sell signal move down. Price versus while money flow high, trades in favor high, sell signal, and a move down. Extremely consistent how this works out. I just pulled up the rising wedge pattern that Bitcoin has been in for quite some time, and you're noticing that we're actively breaking into it. We haven't quite broken yet, but we are very, very close. But the previous moves that I showed you with the similar signals tested or very nearly tested this previous structure support, this ascending structure support on the rising wedge pattern. Next, you're going to notice another major support at this level sitting at $31,862. Now, we do have to break through $38,000 first, but a move down to this structure support is highly likely at this point based on the 1 week time frame, showing whales have overbought and are likely to move money out of the market, and based on the fact that the trades in favor is high as well. Heading to the 1 month time frame, you're going to notice some pretty similar readings. Price versus while money flow high, trades in favor high with an 82% chance of a drop, once again testing that structure support. On the 1 month time frame here, this is also showing a pretty significant move down is likely. Okay, so we see technical analysis is highly bearish at this point. Multiple time frames are showing a breakout towards the $32,000 level is highly likely. But what about fundamentals? This just in, Grayscale has just sent a whopping $900 million plus worth of Bitcoin to Coinbase Exchange. It looks like they're getting ready to dump even more. Be careful. Now, this was posted January 22nd at 7:48 this morning. At 8:15 this morning, breaking, Grayscale deposited 15,308 Bitcoin, which equates to about 623.8 million, to Coinbase Prime again 2 hours ago. Most often, when massive companies are shifting that much Bitcoin into an exchange out of their hard wallets, this means that they are about to sell out of the market. Now, a major institution selling Bitcoin, of course, is not good. That's going to bring the price down and liquidate long traders, creating a long squeeze. Now, a long squeeze forces prices to move down because it takes out so much upwards pressure that should be there. It's just not anymore, so downwards pressure prevails, pushing the price down. And a lot of long traders would then shift their trades into short trades in order to profit on the way down. The exact opposite of the short squeezes that we experienced previously that pumped the price up multiple times. Now, we believe this is highly likely at this point. We do expect moves down over the next couple of months in anticipation of the halving event. So if you want to stay updated, you need to snag these indicators and you need to be paying attention to the 1 week and the 1 month time frame. These are going to help guide you through this crypto market. They help us call the tops and the bottoms, and they've been extremely reliable, helping us earn those 126 win, 0 loss win streaks that we have been on since February of last year. Absolutely insane. And on top of that, I can help you get up to $550 off. Check this out. Once again, links are in the description down below. Go ahead and scroll down, click more. The indicators are the second link. Click that. It'll bring us to the pro indicator page. Members get a significant discount. It's actually much cheaper to purchase with a membership than it is without one. Once you have your membership, access the coupon code at this link for your first $150 off. Click Pro Indicator Pack, scroll down and click I want this. Throw in your membership codes, fill in your information, click pay, and it's going to offer you the TC top and bottom finder for $400 off, giving you a total $550 discount. Just go ahead and click add to cart, follow the prompts, and we're so excited to trade with you soon. With that, I just want to say thanks so much for watching. Trade safe, trade confident, and stay tuned tomorrow for the next future forecast video. I'll see you there.